Yo, what's good? Today we'll be playing Motorcycle Mayhem. Alright, I'm gonna get my fastest, the Turbo Hayasobi, or Suba, whatever. I'm a VIP. Oh, bruh. I'm a VIP, yet I'm not very great. This bike is really fast. Alright, spawn that again. I'll start going a little bit slower until I get onto the main road. Bike like this that would probably go out of control as soon as I put my foot on the pedal like that. Respawn that again. Are you kidding me? Wait, ain't I a VIP still? I think I'm still a VIP, ain't I? Hold on. Let me leave. Yeah, I'm still a VIP. That's good. Because I use Robux to make myself one. I barely even sped, bro. Careful. 74 miles an hour, 91 miles an hour, 110 miles an hour, 2. I'm gonna slow down a little bit. Be careful. Slow down a little. Slow down so I don't crash. Under 2 miles an hour. And I crashed. It was going to happen eventually anyway. Alright, let me get a different bike this time. The Dirt King for 50. Alright. Bro, why? Oh, it's fine. This dirt bike can go pretty fast, 100 miles an hour. A lot of dirt bikes probably don't even hit 20 or 30 miles an hour. I want to be a YouTube celebrity, stuff like that, but like, even though, yeah, it's cool to be a celebrity, you get a lot of attention, a lot of money, well, then the downsides are you can't even live a normal human life without someone being like, sign my autograph, sign my autograph. Can I please get your number? Stuff like that. You can't even be out in public without somebody, at least one person, noticing you as who you are. I mean, at first that can seem pretty cool, but then as it happens all the time, it starts to get really old and annoying. But I would appreciate it if people that watch this make this video popular, or at least my channel popular, and I get more subscribers. I'm at like 126 now. 126 subscribers. It's not bad. Oh, dang it. But having like 1,000 subscribers would be pretty cool. And I've had videos that get over 1,000 views, like the most I've gotten was 1.6K, I think. And I mean, I just wish that people wouldn't just scroll for my videos. I want to get like, I want at least half of the viewers that see my videos to like it. Because I've had shorts that have over 1,000 views, and they only turn out with 1 or 2 likes. Also, 3D print things. Be sure you check out those videos on there. This is my favorite bike, but when it gets really fast, it becomes to like get out of control when you're like in traffic. There's almost like a 98 or 99% chance you're going to crash that vehicle. Unless God mode kicked in and you can like swerve around all the traffic at high speeds. Alright, let me promote my channel a little bit. Bruh. course it has to censor everything. I don't know why Roblox does that. They need to fix that. Yo, what just happened? I think I just went to Oblivion. Gears. Ain't that what that is? Yeah, I think it is. I'm not gonna add my number when making a video because it's private information that I only give to people that I know. And this is a pretty fast bike. It hits to 177 miles an hour. I swear, if Roblox censors this, I'm finna crash out, bruh. Alright. At least it's out there. How many people are in the server? There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 people in this specific server. Spawn bike. That was weird. I just got obliterated. Quick respawn. Let's see what bike would I want next. Let me get the Charlie Softail. Even though it's basically a Harley Davidson, well, it really is. I don't think a lot of these games are allowed to show the actual name of the vehicle. I don't know why. Some games do. Dang, this is actually a really fast bike. It's over 100 miles an hour now. Wow. I'm surprised. Being a slower vehicle like it is, it's not really that slow when you look at the mile per hour. Dang, that was just a clean crash. It hit the vehicle, I just got flung in that air. Let's see what other bike. Fireblade. The RC390. Dang, that engine noise is bad. Or at least, it sounds like a mosquito in my ear. Top speed of 116 miles an hour. That's not bad for a low-level vehicle like it. I think I'm the only VIP in this server. Nobody is using the chat, bro. Probably because most people use Discord anymore. Bruh. Alright, well, that's about the video. Be sure to like, subscribe, follow for more. And as always, peace.